Hello there, how are we? I hope you're all having a good day there. This is going to be a reading for the energy, the air energy over my Geminis. I hope you're all having a really good day, Gemini. All of you are welcome at my channel, all the new and all the old who are always coming back. It's amazing having you all here. Okay, this is going to be an energy reading here in the energies over romance and over love. Okay, so if anyone's interested, here we go. Okay then, Gemini, I'm actually going to be having a look here over your recent past, here regarding under love and over romance, and then we'll have a look at some oracle cards at your overall energy and the energies incoming over the month here, over November, and then we'll have a look at the tarot and then we'll see what's happening. Okay, right then. This is your recent past energies. I've already been looking at your energies here in your recent past. Here you are, Gemini. But it is either your energy or it's air energy, Libra it might be. Possibly being hurt here. Because this is our energy. I actually know my worth. I'm honest over myself and others. Right? Because this person's hurt, right? This is either you here, Gemini, or there's another party involved here, Libra energy, Earth energy, Virgo, here with the Eight of Pentacles. It's all about here putting effort in here, working on yourself and healing, possibly getting out of your head. This is about healing, but it's also actually is actually new, possibly actually emotions, okay, are you opening up? Let's have a look and have a see. Hey Gemini, it is either possibly another energy in the partnership, right, here in the recent past, because I ended up doing this, possibly an earth sign or even actually Cancer. Right, here we go, Gemini. Here we are again. This is either a loss or this is possibly lies or cheating. This is either your energy walking away. This is a Pisces energy, but it's only the energy of the card. This is all about you walking away, possibly an earth sign. Equal give and take. Isn't no equal give and take here, that's why. Right. Gemini. Let's look at your recent past here under the Queen of Air. This is your energy, Gemini. But it's any air sign. It's all about actually possibly knowing your worth here. Let's look. Let's look at the Queen of Swords in the recent past here, Geminis. Here regarding love and romance. In the recent past, under the Queen of Air. Harmony over to balance. Wow. There's the Eight of Cups again at the bottom of the deck. Possibly blocked, or it's a hard actually choice, possibly to make, you possibly walked away. This is either your energy, or it's the energy around you, possibly dealing here with an Aries or a Pisces. It's all about you walking away. Okay, in your Geminis, this is either a marriage, but it's all about you learning something after disappointments. Or there's a person who you're curious here in the recent past. Let's look at this energy. This is actually a marriage card here, but it's also about harmony, over to balance and harmony. This is actually winning energy, right? This is in your recent past to you regarding love and romance. Eight of Pentacles is back. Energy Virgo. Well, it's all about, are you working on yourself or even your marriage? Right? Either the wheel. Heartbreak Hotel is here again. And there's the Earth energy again. Energy Virgo. Even under the moon. Ace of Wands. Hidden emotions. Hiding their emotions. Hiding the pain. Hiding the loss. But here's a change here with the wheel. Okay. Here is a change. Possibly a karmic change. Because it's under the heartache card. Right then, Gemini. That was in your recent past. Possibly a Pisces. Healing. Inner conflicts. Internal conflicts. And overcoming that internal conflict. Wow. You were the Queen of absolutely of confidence under the Nine of Pentacles. Putting energy over yourself here. Oh, my apologies. Here, okay. This is Aries energy, Leo energy. Even a Virgo it might be again. But it's about having that confidence of owning up to the truth here, basically. Okay, are you ready, Gemini? I'll have a look at your overall energy now. Here regarding over love and over romance in the month of November. Let's look at your overall energy here now in the month of November. Right, there's a card here. It's all going off. That's happening outside at the minute, Gemini. Whoa, everyone's going to be happy. Let's see here what comes out in your overall energy here regarding under romance and love. And only take it here if it's actually resonating with you, because all of it isn't going to be resonating, okay? Alright. Are you ready, Gemini? Let's look at your overall energy in the month of November here regarding love and romance. Right, are we ready? Are you Gemini's overall energy of November in the energy of love and romance? Let's look at your overall energy. Ooh. Oh dear. Possibly a person who wants to come in, possibly have a chat with you, because they're up in their head about you, all up in the past. Possibly you reminiscing, hurt, over loss, over pain, because it's here. Possibly a missed opportunity, but there's a person who might here want to come forward and open up to you, possibly be honest, but it's about opening up and having a chat. Here, Gemini, this is your overall energy, okay? Here regarding love over November. It is actually possible either you've actually ghosted someone or it's the other way around. Only take it here as it resonates. Yeah, well, possibly moved on. Here, look. Possibly having a bit of time out. Are you Gemini? Or obviously ghosted. Or lying, that's why. There's a person here lied. That's why. This is either your energy, are you Gemini? because it's under your energy overall. But only take it if it resonates. Absence. Can you see, look? There's either a person here missing you, possibly wanting to be honest and open up. No, it's the other way around. Right, let's look at the incoming energies. Here, Gemini, heartbreak, hotel again. Let's look at the incoming energies. Here regarding love and the romance in the month of November. Love and romance, incoming energies. Escaping a third party, incoming energies here. Okay, Gemini. This is either you or this is the energy who's incoming. This is either another person. It is another person, either way. Okay. This is either your partner, people around you, or your mum, or your dad. It could be anybody. But it is under romance, okay? It is under love and it's under romance. Okay? This is either another party involved. This is either you, or this is another party in your partnership. So there's no time. This is like hanging on here. You've had enough of hanging on because you don't care about this energy. Either you've had enough of this energy or it's the other way around. Right? Alright, Gemini. Let's have a look if there's anything hidden. Let's look if there's anything hidden. Are you regarding under romance in the month of November? Is there anything hidden of your energy, Gemini? This is either your energy or it's a person hiding. Yeah, look, possibly having over reality check. Yeah. There's energy again. This person here possibly ran off. This is either you or it's another person. This is hidden. Okay? The person who wants to talk to you after causing you damage and obviously ghosting, absence. And it's you under runner. Possibly, yeah, look. Possibly ghosted you, or the other way around. Possibly causing you damage, hurting your feelings. I don't know what's going on here, but there's a person who wants to get out here of another party. Escape. Conversation. I need to put that one back. Right, hidden. That's the hidden energy. Right, I'm going to put them down and let's look at your advice on this energy reading here. Under love and under romance. These are the cards I'm going to be looking at your advice. You're under the romance energy. These are the other cards I was already using. If anyone's interested. Okay, Gemini. Let's look at your advice on this energy reading over November. Are you regarding love and romance? Healing heart. I like it. Healing heart. It's asking you to cut down something. Possibly cutting out is Yeah, that's the energy I was picking up. Let's look. Here, Gemini, is the advice in this energy reading under love and under romance. Here, Gemini, advice on the energy reading of November. Here regarding love and romance, Holy Spirit, ancestors and guides. Let's look under Gemini's advice. Addiction. A mask, poker face. This is your advice here about obviously addictions, hiding emotions, possibly taking a risk, addictions, engagement, possibly wanting a, this is the advice. Ugh. Right, this is at the bottom of the deck under poker face. I ain't into this here, Gemini. This is a mask. This is acting as if everything's alright here. Possibly taking your risks and having a mask up. It's all about having possibly power, right? Let's look at the poker face. Right, I'll watch, keep that there. Passion, here we go. Healing hearts, love. Hopefully this isn't over your energy, Gemini. Hiding your emotions. But in here you're burning. Here you are, you just want to get it out. I don't know. Or it's an energy around you. Holding their feelings back, their anger back. Alright, Geminis, are you ready? Because here, there's obviously work here to be done. Alright, here, Gemini, here, what has to be done? Let's have a look. The person who wants to, this is the overall energy over November, here regarding love and your romance. Alright then, Gemini, actually I won't have these cards, I won't have them. I'll have the Harmony Tarot deck. Let's have the Harmony Tarot deck, here, Gemini, and have a look at this overall energy here over November, here regarding love and romance. And only take it here if it resonates, okay? And if at any point it is helping you at any point, are you okay? Are you okay to like? Even add your comments. Every little bit helps over my channel. Okay, Geminis, and it is absolutely amazing having you all here as always. Alright, my loves. Right, enough of the promo. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Because there's work to be done, here, Gemini. Here regarding love and romance in the overall energy of November. In your energy here, Gemini, in the Sun and over Venus. Because over the Venus, that's all about over your love and over your relationships. Okay, are you ready, Gemini? I'll be taking your time on this. Oh, there's a person around you taking their time. I'll be taking their arsey time. Holding back. Having a look at every detail. Possibly after every detail. Possibly having a look. Here. Hoping you to have a new adventure. 8 of Wands, incoming in your communication. Under the Queen of Wands. That's Aries energy. Aries energy. but it's any energy really, Leo energy. All it's about is having that passion, having the confidence. Okay, Gemini. It's asking you to take over your sweet ass time here, right? This is actually what I'm hearing. Okay, it's asking you actually don't be going in there, possibly guns are you blazing. Are you under the King of Wands, holding that Ace of Pentacles? Right, Gemini. Let's look at your incoming energies. I'm interested in this. Let's have a see who this is incoming under the third party. Who is this? Let's have a look. You regarding love and romance. Really quick, that one. Possibly coming in. Hello. After persevering, you're waiting. Possibly you're here waiting. Possibly you're planting a seed, or you're having a look at options. It's about options as well. Possibly weighing up over your options. But it's also about you waiting here. Possibly you're waiting here on another party. Or it's about you persevering. Okay, Gemini, only take it if it resonates. This is your incoming energies over November. There you are, Gemini. We're making a choice. Making a judgment call under this energy of healthy boundaries. Either the world and the options and the choices made under the King of Air. There you are, Gemini. Ace of Cups. Ending that. There's an ending. But here you are, making a choice here, Gemini. Okay, you'll have to see in a minute. Let's look at your next card. Let's have a see what this is about here, shall we? This is hidden energy. Possibly this is your energy here, Gemini. Only take it if it resonates. Possibly you're realising something. Or it's a person here you might be dealing with. Right? Okay, Gemini. Let's go. Let's have a see. Having a guilty conscience. This is about I messed up over the good things. I messed up the good things in my life. This is a manipulator, possibly cutting the cord. But it's also about over your thoughts, over your mindset. Possibly you're overthinking something here, Gemini. Possibly about your home, or your marriage. Because here is the Ten of Pentacles. Here is a moon. It's upside down, Gemini. It's upside down. That means everything's going to be illuminated. Over your doubts, over your fears. Right? Yippee! Right. Under the Knight of Wands, upside down. And here you are again, in the Gemini. Under the judgment call. You're making a judgment call. Overcoming that energy of up in your thoughts. Or there's a person all up in their thoughts, so you're after messing up. Only you know what's going on, Gemini. This is either your energy or it's an energy around you, person you're dealing with. Right? Right. Let's look. Like your next card. And the advice here, putting a mask on. Overtaking a chance. This is about also overtaking a risk. Holding your energy back. Having a mask up. This is about your Gemini. Let's look, are you taking a risk? Are you taking a chance? Having options. This is either you having some options. Let's look at the poker. Poker. There you are. There you are again, Gemini. Under that 10 of Pentacles again. Overtaking a risk. Possibly took a risk here over money. Over making a choice. But it's about possibly gambling over your money. I actually don't know what's going on here. I'll have a look in a minute though, Gemini. Right then, Gemos. Are we ready? Let's have a see what is going on. Right? What is going on? Looks like a risky business here. Let's have a look. Here, Gemini. Here regarding your overall energy, overtaking your time here. Or there's a person here taking their time. Or there's a person here wants every detail via what's happened. I'm going to take it if it resonates. Possibly an earth sign, or it's in your chart, here, Gemini. Let's look under the Knight of Pentacles. Let's look at the Knight of Pentacles and your overall energy, Gemini. Regarding love and under romance. In a conflict, internal conflict or arguments. This is that energy of no, I know my worth, I ain't having it no more, it's ending, boom, I'm already done, boom, there you go, I ain't having it no more. There's a person who wants to talk to you, or it's over the other way around. But this is about having healthy boundaries up, out over this energy, over competition, right? Other people involved. And in that bloody crap. Alright? Right. That's that out of the way. Alright. You ready? This is your overall energy. Over November. Possibly over drama, or over competition. Let's have a look here. What is this all about? Because I'm interested now. Ace of Swords here. Possibly knowing over the truth. Possibly getting the truth. Illumination. Illuminating. Healing. Peace of mind. Let's look at this energy with the Knight of Pentacles and your overall energy here regarding romance and love. Possibly having competition. Here. Equally a give and take. Ace of Swords again. This is about overcoming inner conflicts and possibly you're lying over yourself, your Gemini, or it's another party, right? But it's about equally give and take. There's obviously no equal give and take here. Okay, Gemini, in your overall energy, are you regarding over love and over romance? In equal give and take here at all. This is over lies. This is a load of bullshit, okay? This is either your energy, opening your eyes up to this, or it's another energy you're dealing with. I have earth energy here, air energy. Are you Libra under the justice? But this is about harmony, balance. So you're moving into harmony and actually balance. Equal give and take. Being honest. Right? Possibly about this energy. Here what's incoming. Right? Because it's here. This is obviously what's possibly causing over the tension of the competition. Because there's other people involved. And here you are here persevering. Or there's a person here, possibly waiting. Arguments again, over mind games. Let's get into it then. Here, Gemini, incoming energies under the third party of November. You regarding love and romance. Let's look under this energy. Here, this is here waiting, persevering, having a look at your options, possibly weighing up your options, your choices. Possibly you have an option here with another party, because it is incoming. Let's have a look. This is about ego. This is about you winning at all costs. After planting the seed, it is going to harvest. Here, Gemini. Energy Leo is here. They're all about the passion and the ego. Or it's a Taurus. Or even a water, earth sign. There you are. Having the confidence. Taurus energy, Aries energy, energy Leo again. Let's have a see what this is about. Under the third party, Gemini. Here's a victory coming. A harvest. Tell me what this is about here under Gemini's energy here regarding love and romance. This isn't love. This isn't love at all. Oh, it's a heavy burden. holding on to a heavy burden. And there it is. There it is again. Under the Queen of Cups. Possibly a Cancer. Even a Pisces. Or even a Scorpio. But it's all about holding on to this burden. Anxiety. Anxious. How come you're holding on and there's a Tower? Empress. Energy Libra. Energy Taurus. Healing. I don't know what's going on here, Gemini, but can you tell me what this is about? Under the third party energy, please. You under Gemini's energy. And the incoming energies. Possibly you're worried. Possibly about an incoming energy. Anxious. Up all night over analysing something. Possibly all up in your thoughts. You possibly don't know what to do on this energy. I actually don't know what's going on here, but yeah, it's ending either way under the world. Possibly a Pisces. Energy Aquarius. Pardon me, Gemini. This is about ending the burden. After persevering, right? This is either you or it's another party, because it's under the third party. There's other people who you've got in the way of this. It's a person here waiting for you, possibly. Anything else on this energy? Illusion. Illusion under confusion. Illusion and confusion. This is all I'm hearing. Of mind games. Playing with your emotions or their emotions. It could be a Taurus or a Virgo. You might have some options coming up here. So you are, you're weighing your options up. And you're ending the burden here because you're holding on to a heavy burden. Alright. Right then, Gemini. Let's have a look what's hidden. Here we go, hidden energies. You Gemini, you arguments over mind games again, or it's over your thoughts, either in your mind. Let's have a look, here what's hidden. Because this is that energy, pissed off envy energy. But it's hidden. Hiding your thoughts, keeping your thoughts to yourself. But it ain't helping, are you Gemini? Let's look at the 5 of air under the hidden, here regarding love and your romance in your energy, Gemini. Here comes a knight. Even here comes all the talking. This is arguing. Other people talking and arguing. Here possibly. Here's a message of an ending here possibly, and an opportunity possibly to rebuild. Because it's under the world. And healing. Let's have a look at the knights. Who is this Knight of Air? That's hidden. Over November. Over November, are you regarding under romance and love? Overtaking your time. Take your time. It's here again. There's that conflict again. Equal give and take. It's here again. Possibly you're saying, hold on a minute, hold on a minute. Oh, this is a party. Possibly telling you to hold on a minute. Alright? Under the Justice, even the 9 of Cups. What is... This is all over the place here. This is absolutely messed up here. Okay, Gemini. Let's look at the under the Knight of Pentacles. This is about putting energy in, putting your energy into something and having a talk, having a meeting. But there's another party involved here, because it's not under the 2 of Cups, is it? Holding back, look, again. Possibly not talking here. Possibly not talking. Holding off of your energy. Ooh. There you are. There you are again, Gemini. Or we're making a choice here to hold of your energy back. Are you holding on to your money? High Priestess. You're holding here something back. You made a choice here to hold your energy back and possibly not talk. And you're all up in your head about it now. Okay, Gemini. Pisces energy is here. Possibly you're learning something here. Possibly choosing a direction. Okay. Okay, Gemini. Let's look at your advice. There's that energy again over choices. This is your energy, right? This is about you making a choice. This is your advice. You're regarding under love and under romance. It's under the poker face. You're Gemini. And it's all about choices. You possibly took a risk here and actually made a choice. Either you did, because it is under your energy here, or possibly taking a risk over November. That hasn't happened yet, obviously. Right. Are you taking a risk here on possibly a partnership? After being all up in your thoughts over this. It's all about choices. Here, Gemini, under the justice again. Here we go again. All the choices made. Let's look at your advice, here, Gemini. And only take it if it's already resonating with you, because it ain't going to resonate here with everyone. But it is all over the place. Poor, is it just? And if it is helping you at any point, you're okay to like or add over your comments. This is all about you making choices now. Let's look at the lovers under the poker face in your advice here regarding love and romance. Efforts on work. Here's that energy again, here, 9 of Cups. Here with the Empress. There's that energy. Third party. Again. It's about happiness. All these cards are about happiness. Overcoming here. Working on yourself, you're making a choice. Or either you're going to put some effort in and open up, or taking a risk and opening up here, or making a choice. Right? It's all about you taking a risk or making a choice, right? Possibly having your guard down, having your mask off here, and actually making a choice. But it's under your energy, Gemini. Open up more. And there you are, putting that effort in. Open up more. And it will actually make you more happier, right? If it's under the 9 of Cups, this is obviously a wish, right? And it's under this epic happiness, right? It's under the Empress energy, air energy Libra, earth energy Taurus. But it's all about having a rebirth. It's all about you taking a risk and opening up. Here, Gemini, opening up again to love. Here, maybe opening up over your emotions, even. Only you know what's going on here. I don't. I'm only telling you what's here. It's all about your choices, okay? Of the past. Possibly going to be opening up to a past person under the Justice. Here with the Magician. And there's an offer under the 10 of Cups. 8 of Swords, up in your thoughts. Ooh. Okay, Gemini. I hope it's helped you, this energy reading. I'll have a look at some advice cards now for you. Possibly you got some options coming up now. There's a choice now to open up. Open your heart up. After overcoming an illusion, over lies, over anxiety, over competition, ego. Right? Okay then, Gemini. Let's look you under the Moonology deck and have a see if there's any advice. You are at the bottom of the deck here, Gemini. Opening up, look. And we're making that choice. Open up. Speak. Speak up. Okay, Gemini. Are you ready? Let's look at your advice. You regarding love and romance in the month of November. Are you ready, Geminis? Gemini, let's go. In the Sun and in Venus. Gemini, any advice on this energy reading, please, for the sign over my Geminis? Are you regarding love and romance in the month of November? Anything else over my Geminis? Holy Spirits, honour your feelings. Intuition, you see. Intuition. Ask me to take that out. Honour your feelings. Possibly have a bit of Pisces in your chart here, Gemini. Alright? Let's see you. Possibly knowing your worth. Open up. Instead of keeping it all up. Honour your feelings. Right? Let's look at your next card. And it's asking you to leave that past in the past. Right? There we go. Are you, Gemini? This is your advice. Wow. And it's asking you to tune in here to the divine and your intuition and honour your feelings. It's all Pisces energy. But it's about intuition. Or in here, or you've got instant. Alright? Okay. Alright then, Geminis. I will end it here now. I hope it did help. It was all over the place here, but there's a healing energy at the end here, alright? After you take over the mask off, this is either you or it's energy around you, but it's your advice, okay, Gemini? Because all the Geminis have that poker face, don't they? Pisces also. Right then, I'll end it here, Gemini. It's asking you to open up and everything will be fine. Alright, Geminis, I will end it now. Bye-bye. Have a nice time. Bye-bye now. It's been an honour having you all here. Bye-bye.